Alright, good day, guys. So, we are going to design a simple Christmas carol flyer using the Pixellab. So, let me just go to my gallery. This is the background that we will be using. I'll just share it to my Pixellab. It's my Pixellab. So, I'm using the same dimension. I will go to gallery. And I'll go and search for the logo that I will be using. So here's it. So here's the logo. I will come here and then erase the logo, erase the background, and then here, and reduce the size, reduce the size, I need the size. Alright, here we go. So I will write Usasa Diocese. Make them uppercase letter. I'm gonna write it, put it to here. I'll go to writings and then put it to publish. And now increase the size. Now copy it again and write St. Peter's. Fix it here. Alright, now let me just copy this and write present. And for this one, I'm going to reduce the size and then go to spacing and space it up. And for this one, let me put it to be right. Let me centralize it. Okay, and then I'll go to text again. Christmas carol. Christmas first. For this one, the color should be green. And for the font, I'll put this font. And put this italic. Okay. Let me just put these writings to be black. Not black. Let me just put it to be this. Maybe I can increase this title. So here we go. I'll put Carol here. Here we go with this. Now I will go into my text again and then write space. stroke. Now add the stroke, be right, and then put it at 10, and then decrease it. Right. Alright, here we go. Like this one. Just put it here. Let me just hold it. So I can increase the size. You just leave it to be like this. So now let me import something. So here we go. I will put background to it. This to left padding. This one should be it. And now increase the size. Alright, also I've already copied something.
a gaban gidanki na bada mahaifinki.
So here we go with this one. I will now save my work as ultra. Alright, now let me go to Snapseed. So I'll go to this. To white balance, then decrease the temperature, then body thing, and increase the thing. There we go. And then I'll go to details. Increase the structure a little bit, then the sharpening also increase it a little bit. And I'll go to 2. Increase the brightness a little bit. Let's say to 10. And if you like, you can increase the saturation also. And now for this, just increase it a little bit. So here we go. I will set my lock. So here is our design. So you can see a simple way to design your Christmas carol service by using the Pixellab. I thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are new, and then if you haven't subscribed, thank you. See you on the next tutorial.